Hello everyone, here's my kitchen fan. It is a 29-inch Monterey fan close mounted with this 8-arm light kit, which takes these little candelabra bulbs, and it's copper finish, as you can see, with some mahogany blades. And I had this originally installed in my hallway, but I moved it in here because it's a better fit. And the recessed light is kind of being weird. Anyway, so I just wanted to make a video of this real quick for you. I have to turn it back on real quick to show the light. As you can see, it's pretty neat looking when it's all lit up. Very atomic era, I guess you could say, even though this fan only dates back to like the 80s. I want to say maybe 70s. So here it is running. I don't know what speed it's going to start out on. I think high. Yeah. You can see it gets up to speed really quick. It spins quite fast, and I can feel it from back here. This is pretty powerful. It does make a slight noise because of the light kit, the light bulbs banging against those metal tubes. Yeah, but really, with the background noise of the AC running and whatever, you can't hardly hear it. There's medium. And low. And off. Let it spin down. You can see it's got a nice good spin down time. It's got a pretty big motor, although no, I did open it up when I first got it. It takes up a good portion of that motor housing. I don't know the size. I do know that it's bigger than most fans this size would have. And it's got these nice wide blades, so it actually moves a lot of air. As compared, I should say, to the craft-made Max Air that I have, which has a tiny motor and spins pretty slow with its wide blades. This one goes at a respectable speed, and therefore it's quite effective. Okay, and there we go. So that is it for this little fan, and I hope you enjoyed.